In this video, I'm going to take you through how you can use a new AI tool called ChatGPT to unlock new viral phrases on demand and make money in 2023 with print on demand. If you're not sure what ChatGPT is, it is artificial intelligence. It's a discussion tool that 9 times out of 10, when you ask a question, it will give you an answer that sounds like it's coming from a very knowledgeable human. But there's a very specific way you need to be able to use it in order to unlock those new viral phrases for your print-on-demand business. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a secret that will make this tool come to life and create those $10,000 plus months and beyond. ChatGPT can help you with a vast array of different things, from giving you ideas of new niches to test, rephrasing of designs to help you pass writer's block, to even giving you tags and keywords to use on Etsy and Amazon. What I love about AI in particular is its ability to add more. And what I mean by that is by giving it one idea, it can give you many variations. From one keyword, it will give you many others. If you've been in print on demand any length of time, you will know that it's the phrase that pays. No one else has done a video like this, so I thought, you know what, Ronnie? Maybe I should. Let me do a full video breaking down how to use ChatGPT to level up your results with print on demand. This will be particularly helpful if you're looking for new, unique phrases that have never been seen before. Alrighty, time to get serious. So right now I'm in the tool. It's called ChatGPT. It's by OpenAI. So if you go to chat.openai.com, that's where you're going to find it. You'll need to create an account, which I figure that you'd probably know how to do at this point. So right now we're in the ChatGPT dash. This is where you can ask all these different questions. But to start, we want to give some context as to what it is that we're going to do. So I'm just going to type a message. Hello there. I would like you to rephrase the following messages for jewelry cards. All right, so to find a message that we want it to rephrase for us, I'm going to use a tool called SpyPro, and this is purely just to get an idea of what's been selling. So in here, it's called spypro.io. I've restricted the searches to the last 2 years, so from 2021 this time to now, and then with 500 plus reactions. I figure that anything over 500 plus reactions means there's been money put behind it, and we're just looking for a phrase to rework anyway. So straight up, you can see here's one, there's one, here's another. So let's pick one. So never forget that I love you. Rephrase. Never forget I love you. If I could give you one thing in life, I would give you the ability to see yourself through my eyes. So what's it going to come back with? Enter, and here we go. Drum roll, please. The best thing I'm seeing with AI is the variations that it's going to create for us. What it allows us to do is get past that writer's block. So we've seen that phrase, never forget I love you, everywhere for so long, and it does well. But we don't want to copy. Copying is not how you create a sustainable print-on-demand business. We want to be able to take elements of phrases and build on it and create something unique. And this is a fantastic way to be able to do that. So what's it rephrased to? My love for you will never fade. If I can gift you one thing in life, it would be the power to see yourself through my eyes. That way you would know how much you truly mean to me. Number 2, every day I fall more in love with you. If I could bestow one gift upon you, it would be the ability to see yourself as I see you, as the most precious and cherished person in my life. Number 3, you hold a special place. They're great phrases. They give you something to work with. And when you understand the fundamentals of what sell these things, it's a very good way to rephrase words that capture that sentiment and just get something new out there. But what if you're doing t-shirts? So over on this chat here, I've done one for bikers. Create a funny biker shirt. Ride hard, nap often, the biker's guide to life. Not a bad start. So I wanted to build on that, and I put in create 10 hilarious biker shirts. And then it's come up with 10 different variations. Now, the beauty of this is it gives you that starting point. When you like something in there, and some of them, yes, you will have seen before, it allows you to build on that and create something new and unique. So what now if you've got a design and you're ready to publish it over on Etsy? In ChatGPT, I've typed in, I need Etsy tags for my product, and it's telling me what I can do to go and find those tags. But if I've got that product in mind, say it's a biker shirt, then we type that in. Give me 13 keywords for a biker shirt for Etsy. And there we go. We've got starting points. We've got things to work with. And from that, we can then go and test. This tool is insane and it's only going to get better and better. Now, the secret to creating viral winning products with ChatGPT, it comes down to your ability to understand the true fundamentals of what sell print-on-demand products. Will ChatGPT alone create those viral phrases? Maybe, eventually, but you need to be willing to test the phrases that it's giving you, putting them into your own designs, and without understanding the fundamentals, it can be akin to gambling. Are you using ChatGPT in a unique way? Make sure you comment below and let me know. Now, if you'd like a good understanding of what some of those fundamentals are, make sure you watch this video next.